Hi, I'm Seth Masia from Solar Today magazine, and with me is Gary Mull, Vice President of Marketing at the new Westinghouse Solar Division. We've been watching for the last 18 months with fascination as Akina began to revolutionize the business model in photovoltaics residential sales by integrating an N-phase microinverter directly into the module assembly. And this simplifies the purchase decision for the consumer and greatly simplifies the installation process for the installer. So, Gary, tell me about this next exciting step in rebranding the product.
So it is an exciting step, Seth, and this week we announced that the On-Delay product has partnered with Westinghouse to become Westinghouse Solar. So over the next few months, what we'll be doing is taking the Westinghouse Solar brand to the mass consumer market.
That's great. This is a unique new step in applying a widely recognizable consumer brand to what has heretofore been a niche market.
That's right. Our research showed that consumers really couldn't recognize a major brand within the solar market today. And I think what we've seen is installers and dealers in the solar market struggle on price as the differentiating factor, where solar largely is a commodity. And what we learned was consumers feel that solar is somewhat bleeding edge, and they're hesitant to adopt because of the fact that they don't know whether they can align this purchase decision with a brand that they know and trust. So obviously Westinghouse and the Westinghouse brand, known for over 100 years, innovating products that are in our homes today, solves that challenge.
Now, you and I are boomers, and we do recognize the Westinghouse brand as a high-quality brand going back for generations, back to the George Westinghouse establishing AC as the standard current for North America. But does the younger generation recognize the brand?
So the market buying solar today, the 35 and up generation, largely within the Westinghouse awareness target. Westinghouse markets their brand worldwide, and the awareness of the brand, and again aligned with the reliability and trust factor, is one that we found consumers were very comfortable with.
All right, now you're using an N-phase inverter that's made in the U.S.
That's right.
And where are you I know you designed the racking system. Where are you sourcing the modules?
Yeah, so our patented technology, the racking and mounting systems, essentially are manufactured by Suntech using their laminates. So off their assembly line comes our product, our technology wrapped around their laminates, carrying that Suntech warranty, which is very important for the mainstream consumer.
Right. Now, about a year ago, you opened Lowe's as a consumer outlet.
That's right.
And I would anticipate that under the Westinghouse brand, you're going to open a broader variety of outlets.
Yes. So our strategy obviously has been to build a differentiated product. We've achieved that with the On-Delay technology. Now with the Westinghouse brand, a brand that consumers know and trust. Our distribution reach essentially is through an authorized dealer program, which is across the U.S. today, and also through retail, available in Lowe's stores across the United States as well. This summer we're rolling out a new authorized dealer program, which essentially will improve the capabilities that installers will have by which they can attain the Westinghouse product, Westinghouse Solar product, use the Westinghouse Solar brand to reach their customer markets, and other benefits such as financing and the brand awareness that Westinghouse brings to the market. So we're pretty excited about this opportunity, and the dealers in our program today are very excited, as you can imagine.
Yeah. Do you have some specific goals for growth for the first year under Westinghouse?
So we do, and we don't disclose numbers, but essentially reaching that mass market, that critical market of mainstream consumers, moving out of the early adopter segment is really what we're looking to achieve with this brand announcement. And I think that it's going to be an interesting move in the industry to watch this year.
I think it's fascinating. Well, best of luck with it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Pleasure.